All right, you've been looking for that luxury couples RV. I gotta tell you, I've found it. Welcome to the Forest River Rockwood Ultralight 2608 BS. Kitchen, 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 kitchen. Just think about that as you look at this beauty. But before we do, let me tell you about as soon as you walk into this beautifully and well-appointed RV, right away you're gonna see these gorgeous beveled doors with the hideaway hinges, giving you ward and pantry space. You even have some hangers in there. Now, being Forest River and being Rockwood, you're also gonna get the best of the best when it comes to the controls that are gonna be on your RV. For example, this one has the one control system. You can control your awnings, your slide outs, and even your lights from the convenience of your cell phone. Operate your 12-volt heating pads that are on your tanks on here, and also check the tire pressure, because this one comes standard with tire pressure monitoring. Now, the true calling card of the 2608 BS is going to be what I call the BS stands for the beautifully styled kitchen. This is a front kitchen unit. Sure, you can sleep 3, maybe 4 folks, but this truly is a couple's coach. And you're gonna see the solid surface countertops that you have up front, the one-way privacy window with the pull-down shade, and plenty of space to cook and prep, thanks to the undermounted 50/50 stainless steel sink, high-rise faucet with sprayer, cover and drying rack included, flush-mounted high-output 3-burner cooktop, and a 20-inch Magic Chef stove. You need to store all the stuff you're going to be cooking in this magic kitchen, so why not give you a Magic Chef 10.7 cubic foot fridge freezer combo. Cabinets up top are solid wood. Got that beautiful ash decor on this one. Brushed nickel pulls. And plenty of space to store everything that you're going to make into a beautiful creation in the 2608 BS. After you get finished making those Camp Chef delicacies, you're gonna wanna enjoy them in a good space. Why not give you an oversized booth dinette with a table that is removable, also doubles as a coffee table. You even have solid wood pull-out drawers underneath to give you more storage space. It also reduces down into a sleeper, but for me, if I'm gonna be sitting at the base of a mountain with the cross breeze coming in thanks to my windows on both sides of my slide, I'm gonna be knocked out in these plush, comfortable recliners that have lumbar support in them. Plus, the middle console folds down. You even get a little pop-up USB charging station. Right above your head are some convenient movable reading lights and frosted glass inlay in your storage cabinets. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Enjoying your entertainment in the Rockwood 2608 BS is easy to do thanks to the angled entertainment center, large LED TV, component shelf that has that same solid surface countertop as your kitchen, not to mention the IRV Technologies AM/FM Bluetooth stereo system, all right above a 30-inch fireplace, multi-flame setting and multi-light setting. You got a 15K BTU AC, 35,000 BTU furnace, but this little joker right here is going to do a great job of knocking the chill off the air. The beauty and style are going to continue into your master bathroom, which is passed through a great separation of space, especially if you have people sleeping out here. They're not going to wake you up, and vice versa if someone does need to come use the bathroom. You'll notice the beautiful porcelain high-rise bowl with the foot flush, neo-angled shower nestled in the corner with glass enclosure. Your tanks are going to love that because the shower miser system comes standard on your 2608 BS. Plenty of linen space, thanks to the solid wood doors here, and an oversized vanity with large sink, brushed nickel hardware, and your medicine cabinet, shaker style as well. The master sanctuary of the 2608 BS is just that. Rockwood does such a good job of continuing that flow, that ease of being able to enjoy the camping space right here in your master. With a queen-size bed nestled in its own slide, you got nightstand space on both sides, reading lights up above your head, side opening doors, but don't worry, much more storage space than that, thanks to the handled and strut-supported storage door that leads all the way under your bed. You even have some pull-out drawers, so if you don't want to lift it up, or worse, wake your partner up in the middle of the night telling them to move because your CPAP machine is buried under there, you can store it in the storage door and easily pull it out. Your ward reminds me of a fifth wheel over here because it's mirrored with a lot of space, and you even have the armoire drawers underneath. To top it all off, if you want to come and go and you do have the kids staying with you in your 2608 BS, the master bedroom comes complete with its own access point. The outside of the Rockwood Ultralight 2608BS, just as beautiful as the inside. You saw right there, powered tongue jack, twin 30-pound LP tanks, plus beautiful fiberglass end cap. Extra large awning on the campside with LED light strip, frameless windows, plus you got those marine grade speakers, double solid step over steps leading you into the main entry point as well as the master bedroom, and double extra large grab handles. Now on the tires, you got those beautiful torsion axles on this one, the 14-inch aluminum rims with the Goodyear Endurance E-rated tires, and tire pressure monitoring system like we mentioned on the inside. When you come back to the rear, you'll see the controls for your rear portion of your powered stabilizer jacks with the strong arm support, as well as the external shower. External connections here, solid ladder mounted on the back, backup camera, and on the off-camp side, you'll see that your slide even comes with a slide topper. Kind of like the topper that comes on your spare tire, mounted on the rear bumper here. 29 feet 8 inches, roughly 6,800 pounds dry. If you're that adventurous couple and you've been looking for that RV that's well appointed, you want something that you're gonna enjoy for a long time, gotta tell you, this one right here, the Rockwood Ultralight 2608BS should be at the top of your list. And the best part about it is, we got them waiting on you at Camping World.